All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking ratchets. All right, so choosing a ratchet seems pretty easy, basic thing. It's not. Let me tell you why. This, like especially for me, 3/8 ratchet is in my hand a lot in the course of a day. I mean, this gets some mileage. So you want something you like, feels comfortable in the hand, and operates how you want it to operate. Now, one of the big things is, yeah, you want fine teeth. Not like this old Craftsman. Coarse teeth, 32 teeth, whatever. Now, a lot of guys will go, oh, buy it online. Now, I don't like that option. Why? Because I can't touch it. Because think about it. This is something you're going to have in your hand a lot. And if you don't like how it feels in your hand, how it operates, how easily things switch directions, etc., it could be a waste of money. You might love Snap-on, but absolutely hate their ratchets. Now, I don't hate their ratchets, but, you know, if you guys know me, you know my go-to 3/8 is Matco, locking flex head, because of the locking flex head. I prefer their locking system, and I've really actually grown to really like the comfort grip on the 3/8. Well, you can go to a retail store. You can go to, you know, Advanced Auto Parts that has gear wrench. You can go to Sears. You can go to, you know, Home Depot, whatever. Great. I have no problem with that. Biggest thing I can tell you is you've got to put your hand on it. You got to test it out. You got to, you know, feel it. Because this is, again, something that you're going to have in your hand a lot. Now, let's talk different styles. Now, I'm sure everybody knows this style. This is the old Snap-on standard grip. And it's decent. It really, I used it for years and never had a problem with it. Well, then this style came out, the comfort grips. Well, they're a little more comfortable. They're not as durable, but they're a lot more comfortable, especially when you're trying to put some torque on it. So, different styles. Now, again, you've got standard length, 3/8, you know, 1/4 inch 3/8. The only standard length 1/2 inch drive I've got left is this old Craftsman. I just don't use that size anymore. If I'm grabbing 1/2 inch, chances are it's going to be this big boy or this shorter flex head ratchet. If I'm using 1/2 inch, it's going to take a little muscle to turn over. Might as well have some leverage advantage. So, but let's talk about it. Different styles. Now, obviously, I'm kind of attached to flex heads, in case you can't tell. And there are uses for non-flex head, especially in the long 3/8 category. And I actually own a old style 32 teeth Snap-on that I broke the head off. Well, unfortunately, I could get it warranted, but I used it once in a while. And I've since gotten this, which is a lot longer. So, up to you as far as what you like. I mean, they also have ratchets with bent handles that are bent up. I've never much cared for them. I never saw the point of them. I know a lot of guys like to use them for, you know, doing spark plugs, but for me, I just get an extension. So, personal preference. Again, that's what we're talking about when it comes to ratchets. Personal preference. But what are some of the options out there? Well, first, let's talk about 1/4 inch. Now, this option is not available only in 1/4 inch, but this, I think, is where it's most useful, is the Roto Head. Now, this is a Matco Roto Head, and it is very nice. The reason I like it in 1/4 inch is it can come in really handy when you're trying to get something at a really odd angle, but you want to be straight on so you don't round the fastener. And that comes in really handy on those. Now, other options are going to be stubby. Now, no, this is not the stubbiest you can get, but I like it. It does what I need it to do for the most part. If that won't do it, I've got a few other options. For instance, this Matco ratcheting bit driver / 1/4 inch drive. Really nice. Helps you get into some of those really tight angles, you know, low clearance, a little less clearance than a regular ratchet, but it can come in handy as far as getting in there. And then you've got the Ratcheting Easy Red with bit driver and flex heads with a 1/4 inch ratchet. That comes in handy a lot. You know, you've got a very narrow profile, add a shallow socket, and you got a lot more room to get in over a standard ratchet. Can't not talk about, you know, the long 1/4 inch, which has come in handy many times. I really am happy with this Matco locking flex head 1/4 inch drive, but, you know, you got to get your hands on them. You know, sometimes, for instance, 3/8. I know guys, old timers will remember this handle. The original hard-handled ratchet handle. Guys loved them or hated them. I mean, back in the day, they hated them. So I bought this because I loved it back in the day. I don't like it much anymore. Give me my Matco. So, options on 3/8. Well, obviously, you got a stubby. Again, this is Matco. It is a little bigger than the 1/4 inch brother, but, you know, you're not putting a whole lot of torque on there. It's just really just to get it, you know, moving as you can't get a big ratchet in there. Other 3/8 option, obviously, standard length, flex head, flocking flex head, long flex head. The snap-on is now one of my favorite ratchets as far as comes in handy a lot and seems really tough. So now 1/2 inch drive. This is where the kind of the men and the boys get separated, because this Craftsman ain't going to handle the kind of torque this snap-on is going to take. I'm sorry, guys. And the gear wrenches and some of those other ones are not strong as snap-on Matco. Maybe Mac, Cornwall, I don't know. I don't use them. But it's hard to get outside of the tool truck a 1/2 inch drive ratcheting flex head this long. So, but guys, when it comes to picking your ratchets, get your hands on it, try it out, check it, check it, check it. I know the tool truck ratchets are expensive, and for you it may not be worth it. You may prefer that gear wrench handle. You may prefer, you know, another brand's ratchet. It's up to you. It's personal preference. Ratchet is something you got to have your hand on a lot. Make sure you get one that you like. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.